That is a big box. This side up. All right. I don't know where I should cut the tape, but let's start. Let's start here. Yeah, that's, I think, how I should do this. Also from Building 63. And let's open the packing list so I can tell you what I got here. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. I'm Leo Laforte. This is the base model, the 8 gigabytes of RAM, terabyte drive. And let's see, I guess this comes off. No, it came with batteries. Yeah, it's got batteries in it. Microsoft thinks of everything, and for $3,000, I think that seems about right. Now what? Now what do I do? Never unboxed anything this. Even the iMac. Well, that was actually pretty obvious. Oh, now we're talking. Here's this is packing material. So this is kind of like an iMac box once you take the packaging off. Apple just sends their iMac box naked. So everybody knows you just got an iMac. This, at least Microsoft hides it inside cardboard. Quad-core i5, terabyte hard drive, 64 gigs SSD. So this is one of those fusion things, the Intel drive. 8 gigabytes of RAM, a GeForce GTX 965M, which is the mobile, interestingly, isn't it? They even have a little diagram on here. It says, pull these tabs. And then open up the lid. Everybody's gathering. This is like a big deal. We're so excited. We're so excited. Ooh, of course, review units have been out for a while. We've seen reviews from Ars Technica and elsewhere, but I bought this one. Okay, instruction says, lift up. Oh! I think I'm gonna have to stand up now. It just says lift up like this. Is it coming out? Do I need to remove this?
Wait, I see some of that tape.
Is this holding it in? You know what I think it is? I think I'm supposed to slip this out, maybe. It's a complicated unboxing.
Oh, it has to come the other way. It has little.
Goes the other way?
Yeah, it has little tabs on the.
Pull it.
Well, it ain't going. It's not high enough. There you go.
There. All right. It's pretty. Looks a lot like the Acer, doesn't it? That's the funny thing. You know, this isn't as huge as I was worried about. This is a nice size screen, but not, I don't know why I was thinking it was going to be kind of massive. I'll turn it around for you. They do all this plastic, you know, modern electronics is just covered with this plastic, and that's so that the slave labor, child slave laborers won't get their fingerprints, their little dirty little fingerprints all over it. Because you know how children are with stickies and chocolate. All right, there you go. So this is the arm. That's nice. So this was how I was hoping to use it. And you know what? I think that'll work. It's a little king. It works with the Dr. Evil chair. Let's put it that way. All right. Next step would be, I guess, the keyboard and the mouse. That's pretty. And you know, it is very nicely balanced. That feels good.
It's like it's, yeah. It's got
A little bit more of this plastic on it. It kind of looks like on the back. It kind of looks like the Surface Book, that magnesium deposited. Ooh, and this also has that beautiful gray. That is pretty. And they include the batteries there. This thing is gonna eat AAA batteries. So far, everything is AAA battery powered. Here's the pen, which looks exactly like the Surface Book pen and Surface Pro pen. There we go. I wonder if this has, oh, it does. Magnetic side. Beautiful mouse. Microsoft's always made the best mice optical mouse. It's very simple, very spared. This, they're really aiming this at obviously at the creative professional, the designer. And there's the paperwork. I'm sure there's a power cord in here somewhere. Oh, here's another special triangular box. And inside, the very special. They're using Apple-style soft rubber on this. So, this is, you know what? I like this. It's a standard, what do you call that, Burke? What's it?
IEC.
IEC plug. Standard plug. Bog standard, as Ian Thompson would say. So, I guess I'll drop this through a hole in the desk. Burke will crawl under, grasp it. Go ahead and plug it in. I don't think there's anything else in this box. Have you ever thrown away anything of import by not removing everything from the box? Oh, very simple. Look at this. Okay, on the back is the connectivity. Where should I show it? There you go. So that's where the plug goes, but also that looks like either mini display port or probably Thunderbolt though, right? Is that the Kensington lock? I'm not sure what that is. Headphone jack. Ethernet, yay! You're gonna have to give me one of our gigabit Ethernet wires and 4 USB ports. Those are not blue, but they've gotta be USB 3. But they are white, not blue, which is usually how they color code the USB 3. Right. So this is much like the, actually that's a nice way to do that on the base, like that. All right, so thin all the way because all of the electronics are in the base, which is nice. Let me, why don't I just get used to having it this way? Now, if you did a Skype call like this, you'd be looking at the ceiling, so you'd have to tilt it up. All right, let's press the power button. If it goes, yeah, I would like Ethernet. If it goes bong, I'll really be mad.